Myself Ajitesh from Trabby. As we know, Andaman Islands is famous for water sports activities like scuba diving, sea walk, parasailing and snorkeling. So, today I'm going to show you how you can book your water sports activity coupon instantly at a very best price. So, let's get started. Open your Chrome, type trybby.com. Once the website is open, on the booking tab, click on activities. Drag down a little bit. Select the place where you want to do your activity. Like I'm gonna select Havelock Island. Select the date, 15th of December. Select number of adults are going to do this activity and hit the search button. Drag down a little bit. So here are your list of activities which you can do at Havelock on that day. So I'm gonna do scuba diving. This is the activity and add one more adult. Click the place order button. Drag a little bit down. Reconfirm your booking. Scuba diving at Havelock, 15th of December, 40 to 60 minutes of total activity duration. Age above 10 years can do. And on the very right hand side, you can see the grand total for 2 adults for this activity, 7,250 after getting the discount. Drag a little bit down, ignore this offer, fill the traveler details. If you have any special request like click on Pay Now button. This is the payment gateway page, which is gonna be online for 5 minutes only, so you have to be very quick. Click on Pay Now button. These are the payment methods via which you can pay: Phone Pay, Google Pay, cards like Visa, Maestro, Rupee and Maestro, net banking, any kind of wallet services. After clicking the details, filling up the forms, just click Pay Now button. Like that, you will book your activity and get instant coupon via email. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section or the mobile number given in the description.